Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host Tim. Hope you're doing well today. A few days ago I received an email and somebody was inquiring about making adjustments to a pipe stem that had a screw-in tenon. And so I thought we'd talk about that a little bit today. So let's turn around to the workbench and take a look. I've got 4 pipes here that are examples of pipes with their stem is out of adjustment. 3 of them are Kaywoodies and 1 Dr. Grabow. You can see that one there, and it's already bottomed out. That one's bottomed out as well. And then Dr. Grabow. Now let's start with the Dr. Grabow. They put out pipes, some of their pipes were called adjustomatics. And they're made to where you can actually keep turning the stem. Now you may get one that is really dirty and doesn't want to, so the fix to it will apply to these other pipes as well. Now the first thing you should always do is go in and clean your mortise and tenon real well, especially these outer surfaces. A lot of times, especially if one is just a little short of lining up, it stopped just a little short. A lot of times, if you clean those, you'll be able to crank it on over a little bit. Now, when I mentioned this one was called an adjustomatic, I should be able to just keep turning it. Like I said, if yours doesn't turn, then the fix for it is the same for the Kaywoodies. Yep, I got that one. So those are great. It's great to have this type of stem. And so got to give Dr. Grabow credit for making that. All right, here are 3 Kaywoodies. And I'm going to use the same method to fix all 3 of them. It's the only method I really know, but it works really well. Now, again, clean your mortise. I'm not going to take time to clean the mortise and tenon, but you need to do that. And then our fix, let's see, where are we at on this one? Yeah, it just needs to turn not quite a quarter. The Kaywoodie will be up on top, their logo, little club. And so we're going to just use heat. And what we want to do is soften the glue. These stingers and tenons are glued into the stem. And so we want to heat this enough to soften the glue a little bit, and it allows us to rotate the stem. Apply most of the heat to the metal stinger itself, because metal translates heat very well. You got to be careful not to get your stem too hot. You don't want to burn it, give it a scorch or anything. But it's going to take just a little bit of work, a little bit of time. Let's see. Almost wants to let go and turn. There it goes. Let's get it turned where we want it, and it may stop turning on you, and you got to pick back up. All right. Well, that's all there is to it, and then you just let it cool. Let's take a look at this one. It's got to go quite well. Yeah, it's got to go almost more than 3/4 of the way around. And I mentioned before, you just got to be careful not to scorch your stem. May discolor a little bit. You have to clean on a little bit, but all right. Now this one, I can feel it. It's almost like teeth popping in position. All right. It's got a ratcheting feel to it. When I say teeth, sort of felt ratchet, like a ratchet. All right. Last one, and it's got to come around quite a bit as well. Now, if you get a heat gun that comes to a really fine nozzle, that'll even be even better because you can control the heat a little bit better that way. Not quite. Almost. Almost. There we go. She released. And got it. Well, that's all there is to it. Now we've got 4 pipes that are properly aligned. The stems are properly aligned, so a little heat and a little patience, and you should be able to straighten out some of your pipes that have gotten out of alignment over the years. Well, thank you for sharing your time with me today, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.